right, guys, so it is coming down pretty good. We got about I'd say 4 inches or so. And I've been out pushing by myself just to keep up with the snow. Everything is closing. It's starting to pick up some more here late in the afternoon. And so I think since nothing's going to be open up in the morning, or nothing's going to be opening up too early in the morning, we're not going to get excited. It's supposed to stop like around 11 p.m. or so, so we're not going to get too excited about going out and pushing. We will then wake up early in the morning, maybe around 4, 5 or 6 in the morning, and go out, and I'll have the team knock it all out. And so that is the plan, you guys. All right, guys, so I've been out plowing, and I don't know how, I did a lot of plowing today, and it's still snowing. You guys, I am gonna go home. It's a little bit after it's almost 5 p.m. I'm gonna go home, eat, get rested up, and then wake up early in the morning, go out with the team. And yeah, you guys, we got a lot of snow. It's still coming down. I'll show you. Come on here. It's crazy, guys. It's coming down good. Look at this. It's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. So yeah, guys. Snow season. I'll let that warm up a little bit. So I'll go out, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some footage. Bob, Ashley, and Red is gonna go out, but I came back early from my business trip because they only been out once this year. Been out once this year to go out do snow removal, and just got a little bit of training. And our first snow removal, you guys, it was like 5 to 7 inches of wet, heavy snow. And now I bet you we got about 8 inches of wet, heavy snow right now. It's getting heavy. And so wind is blowing right now, and I came back. I decided to come back on my trip. I drove all the way to Ohio, somewhere in Ohio. And I came back, I just want to make sure Ashley, I just want to be confident that Ashley can do it and take care of it with the team. And I know she can. I just want to make sure that they're trained right before I really take off to do any other business things. And so I decided to come back, and I'm glad I came back. Getting some vlogs edited, and so today, yeah, I'll get you guys some footage. It might be a long day tomorrow. I hope nothing breaks down like last time. Last time the Denali broke down because of the alternator and stuff like that. And so yeah, you guys, I'll get you guys some footage. And it is cold out there, but we haven't had like a couple inches of snow here and there. We've been just getting hammered, you guys, when we have snow. And so All right, I'm gonna go home and get a bite to eat and rest. Ashley, when you go into the by the front door, put the wings back in.
Okay.
You can get in a little closer right here, Ashley.
Okay.